Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Scratch Day Cherry Creek 2014. Thank you all for coming today. I have Nathan Farbish, our ambassador for Cherry Creek Scratch Day here. He's going to give us a bits of information about today. Over to Nathan.
Hey, I'm Nathan Farbish, and I'm from Challenge School. So, before we get started with Scratch Day, I'm going to talk about the raffle prizes and schedule and get everybody pumped up about Scratch Day. So, let's start with the schedule. So, today, we're going to start off with, around 9:25, we're going to start with the intro to Scratch. We're gonna so we're gonna show some examples of Scratch projects. We're gonna get everybody started and get everybody going. We're gonna later after that, around 10:45, we're gonna start with some we-do and makey, get everybody set with those kinds of things. There are some really cool technologies, and if you have the opportunity today, everybody should really check them out. Around 12 o'clock, we're gonna go to lunch, and we're gonna have lunch from 12 to 12:30. And during lunch, remember, please don't bring any food into any of the classrooms. If you have food, you'll leave it outside in the flex areas before you come back in. Now around 1:30 to 2:30, we're just gonna have some time to show off your project, show everybody what you have, and get excited about what you've learned today. And after that, until 3 o'clock, we're gonna start with the raffle. Now, for the raffle, we've got some really cool prizes. First of all, we're gonna have 10 Pico boards, which are really cool things that you can use with Scratch to interact with Scratch in different ways. It has a daylight sensor, a sound sensor, all kinds of really cool things. We've got 2 makeys that you can bring home, and you can get excited about those because you'll actually be able to use them today. And they're really cool pieces of technology that will let you interact with your computer in a way you can turn anything around you into a key on a keyboard. So we also have, believe it or not, an EV3, which will, and if you haven't heard of these before, it's the next generation of Mindstorm. It's like a really, really big we-do kit that you'll be using. And we also have 4 Scratch comic books, which can tell you everything you need to know about Scratch, and give some examples and give some lessons. So before I hand it back over to John, how excited are you guys for Scratch Day? Are you excited? Say Scratch rules! So I guess I'm going to give it back over to John. I'm going to hand it back over to John now.
Okay, everybody. So, as Nathan just mentioned, we've got a ton of great prizes that we're going to be giving away today, and that will happen in our last half hour of the day, so probably somewhere around 2:30 to 3 o'clock. It will be our entire 30 minutes of giving away raffle prizes. So, Here's how you get your raffle tickets. At lunchtime today, when you're having lunch, please make sure that you come outside where you registered and checked in, grab your certificate for the day and a raffle ticket if you want to participate in the raffle. At the end of the day, you must be present to get one of the awards from the raffles. Okay, so all of us are here because we know how important coding, innovation, and everything is in all of our kids' lives and making sure that the kids have the best opportunities for it. So here I'm going to show a 5-minute movie, just a short video about why Scratch is important, why code is important for kids. The video is for code.org.
Is that you, Nathan?
No, I haven't.
You seen it?
someone had told me that software is really about humanity, that it's really about helping people by using computer technology, it would have changed my outlook a lot earlier.
To be able to actually come up with an idea and then see it in your hands and then be able to press a button and have it be in millions of people's hands. I mean, I think we're the first generation in the world that's really ever had that kind of experience.
Just to think that you can start something in your college dorm room and you can have a set of people who haven't built a big company before come together and build something that a billion people use as part of their daily lives is just crazy to think about, right? It's humbling and it's amazing.
The programmers of tomorrow are the wizards of the future. You know, you're going to look like you have magic powers compared to everybody else.
I think it's amazing. I think it's the closest thing we have to a superpower.
Great coders are today's rock stars.
That's it.
Okay, everybody. Now, I understand the video may not have played perfectly in your room, so please, if any of the instructors or people today want to continue to watch that, it's on the front page of code.org. So, first off, I want to make sure I thank everybody for coming today. Last year, we had 250 people show up for our first Scratch Day event ever. This year, we have over 600 people registered, with maybe another 400 sitting on our wait list between students and parents. So, I want to thank all of you for coming today. I really appreciate it. I know some of us have come very, very far. Now, just to make sure everybody's clear on the day, in the morning, we're going to start right now with our first class of the day. It runs for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, so at 10:45, you will be switching off to another class. After that, you will go to lunch. Lunch is on your own. Everybody brought a lunch and snacks so we can find a spot in our building and just have lunch. After lunch at 12:30, we head back to the classroom we started out our day in. And that is where we spend the rest of our day today. All right, everybody. Again, thank you very much for coming today. Ready, set, go.